Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix MSI laptop keyboard not typing or working. First, the most effective method is a hard reset. Start by disconnecting your charger and removing the battery. Then, press and hold the power button for about 15 to 30 seconds. This drains any residual power from the laptop. After that, reconnect the battery and charger and turn your laptop back on. If your keyboard is typing but the input is slow or delayed, the problem could be filter keys. This is a Windows feature that ignores brief or repeated keystrokes. To disable it, press and hold the right Shift key for about 8 seconds. A window will appear asking if you want to turn off filter keys. You can also disable it by searching for filter keys in Windows settings and turning it off from there. The next step is to reinstall or update your keyboard drivers. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting it from the list. Find Keyboards in the menu and expand it. Right-click your keyboard driver and choose Uninstall. Do not worry. Restart your laptop and Windows will automatically reinstall the correct driver. Many MSI laptops use SteelSeries Engine software for keyboard lighting and special functions. If your keyboard is still not working properly, reinstall or update SteelSeries Engine. Thanks for watching.